So hello guys, welcome to this webinar. This is a last minute webinar. So because what happened is due to what happened in the cryptocurrencies, guys. So let's wait a few seconds because this is unannounced. So I just decided to put up because there's so much people asking what's going on. Guys, I will be showing what's going on. I was up for 30 hours looking at the market. Obviously riding the wave. I will be showing you guys what to do in these situations. Is this the first time? Yes, of course it's the first time. This cryptocurrency is very new. Has more interest now than ever before. So you guys need to be prepared for this, and you need to understand how to work the market when things like this happen. Okay, so I got a lot of people sending me emails, please raise the market, raise the market, raise. I can't just go in and pump money into something that I know people are already moving and taking out and taking action. Because some they know what they're doing, but the majority don't. The majority just go after greed. So you need to avoid greed. You need to avoid ifs. Okay, it's very important that you guys avoid ifs. What's going on here is the screen. Like I said, guys, let's. So you guys can see, guys. I just been asleep. I just get up and see the things continue to happening. Let me share the screen here very quick. There it goes. So back to the screen. So I put the links on the groups. Let's see, if everybody joins the biggest number as possible. So what we have now, 11 people. Let's present to everyone. So guys, there you go. So what happened? What the hell is happening in cryptocurrency? So this has been happening for the last 24 hours, guys. Actually, in fact, we can go to 2 days. And we can see Bitcoin. It's a wave, okay, guys? You can see the wave. We're going to see a lot of this, either the cryptocurrencies, okay, guys? So don't panic. Don't use the ifs. What you need to do, guys, is what I've been telling you through a lot of videos. I can't put everything together because some people don't learn it like that. Some people learn in a small amounts of information. But what you want to do, you want to move 50% of your online worth of coin into Bitcoin right now, okay? And you want to do this, and you're going to wait. You're going to ride the wave. So you see the wave, you surf these waves. What you're going to do, so if you go here back to 6 hours, you can see this is very easy to read market. You got the wave, you got the dumpings there, okay? So it goes bullish, it goes on a run, it gets red. Every time it gets red, guys. So if you just ride this wave here of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candles, the 9 candles at the 10 candle, as soon as it reappears, you put it back into Digibyte, okay? Then you wait, let the candle drop. Okay, as soon as the candle drop, you can see the pattern. 1, 2, 3 candles, 4, 5. So 4, so it can't fall because the 1 is a correction. You put it back into Bitcoin, okay? So this guys, I started to do this yesterday. I waited most for the best part of 12 hours. I didn't see Bitcoin slowing down because this is very common when this happens. Bitcoin is starting to grow and people do move their crypto straight to Bitcoin because it's common sense, guys. Because you make around 10,000 coins. If you got 10,000 coins in any of those cryptocurrencies that we talk about, and if you be doing this, wait 3 to 4 hours, you can see it's between 3 to 4 hours, you're increasing your value by $20 every time this happens. So you can see now it's going down. So at this point, you will be putting back into Digibyte, into your favorite cryptocurrency, and wait. So now it's coming up again. So get ready to move again back from Digibyte and put it there and wait for the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 candles there. Okay. So you can see and you can map this and you can ride the wave. But be in mind, this is very, very risky, guys. Okay, so it's a risky game. The other way you can do is just hold. If you're afraid, keep holding because whatever happened in Digibyte, it will come back up again. Guys, we don't know how high a cryptocurrency can go, but you surely know how low it can go. So it can go as low as 0. Once it goes to 0, then it starts to drop to minus. Guys, if it does drop to minus, so because Digibyte has a big support, you can see. So this morning, I have people contacting me in the morning. Guys, I had to go to bed because it's been up for so long. Even drinking coffee, I still falling asleep. So I went to bed, grab a couple of hours sleep, go back here. So, as you can see, we got the support on Digibyte, continues to hold. But then I look at the BTC, and you guess what? When I went to bed, it was a 3,760, okay, and it's now at 3,878. So I could actually, if I take the risk and leave my coin, all my coin on Bitcoin, and went to sleep, and Bitcoin end up coming down, what would happen is I won't be able to buy Digibyte at a lower price the way we wanted but that was if Bitcoin went down, but it didn't. Bitcoin continues to go up. Digibyte maintained, so it means he holded my value. He had a little drop, and that's okay, guys. This is absolutely okay, but you need to be prepared. You need to be fast, and you need to act fast. So you need to be looking at the market, make sure you have a good internet connection. You can see the candles going, and as you see the candles going, you move. Okay, so at this point, you know, it would be the point that you'll be bringing Digibyte back, because BTC is just having another correction there. Okay, the bull getting back in behind the fence. So the bull is now back behind the fence, but it's still bullish. Okay, it's still bullish, so it's still going up. So at this point, again, you're moving from Digibyte or from, you know, from Strategies, whatever you have your coin on, you move it back to Bitcoin, and you ride the other 9 candles. Okay, 7 to 9 candles. You ride them. You can see the bull is breaking the fence again. Is going on a run. Just hold it. Okay, every time you do this, you're going to increase your value. You're going to increase your buying power. Once every time you go back to Digibyte, you stocking Digibyte. This is a great time for you guys to stock Digibyte, because every time you get out of the bull run of the bull going loose, okay, which is the bull run, you getting more value buying back the Digibyte. Once you buy, you're getting more Digibyte. So guys, let's be honest. Why are people this? Why are we getting this? We're getting this to make money. Okay. Now, why is this happening? Well, it's happening because, you know, I shared the post yesterday. I actually shared the post on a group here. So let's go here to our group, to WhatsApp. I shared the post this morning before I went to sleep, before I move all my online coin back into Digibyte. Okay, you can see it's very, very active group, guys. The group's links are so below the YouTube video, this streaming. Where's this thing I shared? You can see this group is so active, guys, so active. And you know, let's go to the Coin Chasers group. It's probably on my page here because I shared everywhere. Then you know, I couldn't stand up any longer, so I had to go and grab some sleep. So okay, this is what happened, guys. Okay, so more news about this company, Security Exchange Commissions in US, another site that's pulling out of US because of Security Exchange Commission. So guys, not so long ago I was involved with a site called Traffic Monsoon, who got shut down by this company. They continue to target the cryptocurrencies and call us a Ponzi scheme and call us a scam. Guys, here's the thing. I don't know what's going on with these people in the US, with the regulators, but you know, they're calling us scam because people get together and people make money. So I would like to ask to these idiots, these bastards, because they're nothing more than a bunch of bastards, idiots, scamming us, legally scamming people. Okay, so you know, I would like to ask these people, is, you know, it's people who work in a factory or people who work in the Google, if they go out and work together and have fun, and then they go out and they have fun, is that a Ponzi? Because they're working for money. Everybody's working for money in this world. So, but these people, you know, Security Exchange Commissions are nothing but a legal scam. Just come out and steal people's monies and put one person in jail or charge one person is guilty, so they can give you an excuse and why they close it down. They just close it down because they want to steal our money. So as a result, guys, somebody's got pissed off, well pissed off, and you can see this with what happened in Bitcoin. People just jumping in, taking their coins from the other coins, going straight to the wave. Is happening here in Bitcoin, because, you know, we're just proving them, right, that they are a bunch of idiots, and it doesn't matter what they do, then will stop at nothing, because there is always another way. Okay, I feel sorry for people who live in the US, who are, once again, at the pass in a great opportunity, because these regulators in the USA think that people getting together, making money, having fun is a scam. Okay, so listen, they are another scam. Okay, if that's realistic, so they are a scam because they work for a non-profit organization who makes money by stealing people's money, closing business down, and putting an innocent person in jail. In most cases, they do put people in jail, innocent. Okay, because this is our money. We work for it. We paid our taxes, and we know exactly what we're doing. Obviously, regulators like this type of regulators, they all can fuck off. And obviously, if US is going to have a war in Korea, I hope that the first missiles from Korea will hit the US, the Security Exchange Commission's office, and kill all of them inside. This is how disappointed I am in this company, because they're all here to steal from people who are trying to better their lives and move forward and you have a better life, better quality of life. So this is what happens. Somebody's got well pissed off in this situation. In the last 24 hours, guys, it's just cracking in. And guys, you look at the trends, This is not just putting money. This is taking money out. This is a big amounts of money. I've been putting in big amounts of money that have been taken out. As you can see, I sold there 55 Bitcoins. Guys, everybody's making money. Everybody's making money. It's total on your control. Just be very careful because it's risky, because the same people or the same group who are doing this, who are doing these scandals, okay, they can also decide it's time to stop. Okay, now we know that the potential of Bitcoin was to reach a $10,000 coin. Are they heading for that? Are they trying to do that? Don't know if they have the money to do that. But what I'm seeing here, guys, is people getting together. People getting together. We see people are taking out 50, and out of that 50, they probably put about 10 to 20%, they put it back. So as they repeat the take in, take out, taking it, give it back, they keep repeating. We're going to carry on seeing this surf. We're going to carry on seeing the surf going on. We're going to carry on seeing this bullish and the bull on the run. So as they go bull on the run, goes back into the fence. Now he's holding there. Guys, right now, if we started the webinar. If you're doing that, go ahead, guys. Just move, make money, guys. Seriously, go ahead and start make money. If you have all your coin online, use 50% of the coin that you have, put into Bitcoin. If you have your 50% of your coin is offline already, and you have the other 50%, like I've been telling you, online, then use all that 50%, jumping into Bitcoin. Okay. As soon as you see the red candle, okay, see the first one. If you want to hold your nerve a little bit and see if the green comes back and the bull continues on the run, remember, it's above this line, okay? As long as it's above the line, the bull is on the loose. The bull is on the loose, okay? He's absolutely, running free, okay? Above that line, he can't go anywhere. But if he puts back behind the fence, now he's back behind the fence. He's trying to break. Look, there is a sign that he's going to break, okay? That is telling us he's going to break the fence again. So, guys, because I'm doing the webinar, I got back in here, just got up. Like I told you, just got up. I sold again the Digibyte, put it back in there. I should be putting back into Digibyte, but now I'm going to be waiting because you can see the bull is about to break again. So, guys, you just need to be ready and willing as soon as you see things that, it's going to go down. So you can see there's big candles there. When you see a big candle, you put it back in Digibyte, okay? You wait, you see the star, okay? See the shooting star, it gone negative candle, and it peaks, it goes. Okay, keeps going on standard. It goes back up. Okay, breaks. Okay, it breaks but doesn't go on the run. It gets put behind the fence again, and it gets pushed down back to standard, and there he goes again, and then he goes on the run. Now the bull is on the run. Okay, guys, goes on the run. We're seeing the same thing repeated. So it's very easy to read markets. This is very easy to predict as well, guys. So we have in a conversation with some people on the group while we predict. Guys, we learn from history because these things always repeat itself. History always repeats itself. And when it comes to cryptocurrency right now, we all new into this, guys. Okay, so guys, make those moves. Be smart, make money. Okay, that's what we do. That's why people get into this. We are into this to make money. So there's opportunity to make money. Don't lose it. Don't lose it, because my guess, total guess, is they're probably trying to get Bitcoin to $5,000, maybe even trying to get Bitcoin to go to $10,000, just to prove a point that to SEC and to the United States Security Exchange Commissions that this is people working together, and you can stop people at any point. Okay, this is people at will. They will see, they will join. It's a party, and that's it. That's people coming together. So if they call this a Ponzi scheme, working in a factory is also a Ponzi scheme. We have factories who employ over 1,000 people. Is that a Ponzi scheme? Because everybody's there to make money. Everybody's there working to get paid, 8 hour a day shift to get. Guys, we work. Like I said, I was here for 30 hours. How many hours did I work here to support this market? I was seeing it happening. I can just sit here, watch it happen, and watch you guys. Hey, what happened? What we're gonna do? Listen, this is what you're gonna do, guys. You're gonna ride the wave. Get on the surf. Start surfing. Right? Get on the surf. You can see this wave. This is crazy, guys. Absolutely crazy. Okay, unprecedented. Has this ever happened? No. The truth is no. Could anyone predict this? Absolutely not. But don't go on the ifs. Don't stay on those ifs. Take the risk, guys. Take the risk. Get in there, ride the wave. If you see it coming down, put it back into your favorite coin. Digibyte, Stellar, whatever. Neo, whatever, guys. Okay? Absolutely whatever. It's your decision. We can only show you exactly what I'm doing here. And one thing I don't want you is you guys to be losing an opportunity to make money, because every candle, if you put 10,000 Bitcoins in there, every candle should bring you around between $17 to $20, 17 to $20 every time you do one of those bull runs, which in turn every time once you go back to Digibyte, and if you pick it up at the price, because that's the game here, guys, is going back into Digibyte and find the Digibyte to be at that price, because someone who's doing exactly the same thing, he could be preparing himself to buy 1 million digibytes, 2 million digibytes. It's all about the trick is picking it down again before it goes standard or even goes bullish, because it can happen. You can see this morning, that's, you know, I bought it around here. Okay, somebody bought it there and somebody bought it there. So, you know, guys, this is the thing. You see what happens? See Digibyte going down? You see, I can just pump, guys. Listen, I can just start trying and save Digibyte to go up when people are seeing Bitcoin going, you know, Bitcoin going up and Digibyte keeps maintaining or going down. People, of course, they're going to take out. And what's going to happen? I'm going to end up draining myself. So there's no point doing that. Join the party. The party is at Bitcoin. Okay, obviously, it's common sense, guys. If Bitcoin is going up, people are riding a wave. Get in it. Okay, get in it and take the benefit. Okay, and as soon as you see the candles start, which is, you know, does happen. That actually happened this morning. You can see there the 3 candles there. So let's go back to 24 hours here. Okay, we can see that drop there. Okay, almost went bullish, but basically just reset himself and started doing. You see the pattern. You look at the same pattern. You look here. It goes a little, almost gone bearish, and then it starts to go up again. What the hell is going on here? You know, I'm just gonna sit here and watch this thing happen. No way, guys. Come on, we're here in this to make money, aren't we? Right? We all need to make some extra money. That's why we're on this. We spend a lot of hours behind this bloody computer. You better go there and grab that $20 that they're waiting for you every bull run. Go and grab it. Go and grab it. Okay, guys, stunt free money. Now let's go here to YouTube and see if you guys still got some of those questions. Okay, guys, so I'm looking now at the questions. If you guys want to add anything or you want me to say anything. Okay, joining the live call. Okay, now joining the live call, I think I can have up to I think it's 20 people at the same time. So okay, let me find the link here for the live call. Now once you come in, the cameras will be turned off, the microphones will be on. You need to read the notice because this is live, guys. So this is live. So I'm now not filming the people. You're not going to be showing your faces, but you know, think about that. So if you want to join us live, is the link. So I'm gonna put the link on a YouTube chat to the live call. And if you guys want to come and join the call and add some ideas, so I'm gonna put that on next to the video. And we'll put on the group, okay. That's the link to the live call. It's now on a group on WhatsApp. All the links to the groups, guys, are below the video on YouTube. On CoinChasers, let's put this on CoinChasers as well. And guys, you all been absolutely amazing. Okay, we do have 1 or 2 haters that pop up every now and then. Of course, we're gonna have to have those. They're part of the market as well. You know, they are an unnecessary evil. So we'll entertain them for a little bit because obviously those kind of people always need friends. Okay, so don't get too bored about them. They just need a friend. So if they come, make a little laugh out of them. If they don't correct themselves, we then just end up kicking them out. So, but we need to give everybody a little opportunity. So there it goes, guys. If you click on this link here, join the live call, you do have to tick the box. You do have to tick that box. Once you tick the box, you're gonna get, let's see if it doesn't stop the call, because you can't stop the call when I do. So you're gonna get this, okay? You're gonna get this warning. Just read through it. It's just, you know, it's basically Google telling you that this is live streaming. It's live all over the world. You tick the box, okay, got it, and then you end up joining the call. Now I can't do that because if I do that, it's gonna stop the live call. But there it goes. That's what you do. You click on that link and you come and join us. Okay, Skype. Let's do on Skype. Okay, now, guys, for those of you who can join or don't want to join, whatever, let me know if you guys get the idea what I'm trying to share, what I mean by riding, by surfing the wave. It's WhatsApp and it's Bitcoin, and obviously the market, cryptocurrency market in itself, because obviously Bitcoin has there's a lot of power in there, and obviously people see that going up. They all, of course, they want to take a piece of the action, right? So this is about let's take a piece of the action, let's make that money, and then as soon as we're seeing a red candle, we move back into your favorite coin, in this case, my coin, Digibyte, right? Then I download. What you're asking you? Oh, probably you have to download the Google plugin. Yeah. This Google tools are actually very good. A lot of people get inclined to use WhatsApp and stuff like that, but Google provides you with everything in one place. We can actually do everything. But that's okay. Go ahead and download. It should be a very small download. I think somebody on the call.
Yeah, I'm on the call.
Can
you hear me?
Danny. Oh, Danny. Oh, can you? Dan? Is Dan or Danny?
Danny. It's Danny.
Danny. Okay.
Danny, whichever one you like.
Yeah, can you hear you all right? Yeah, loud and clear. Oh, you got Sharon on the call as well. Sharon is Jamaica. Sharon, you haven't gone to bed today, are you?
No, darling. It's the morning here. It's just coming up for midday.
I went to bed about 9 o'clock this morning. So well,
I know you were up. I saw you online.
Yeah, I was. I just watching this. What I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna let this up and then let people not making money. I can't do this. People needs to make money. People needs to join in this.
Well, I'll be interestingly. I've been following some of the chat in the group, and I love the paper that Danny put forward about the Austrian economics.
Yeah.
Very insightful. I would suggest that people actually read it. But he made a very good point. At the end of the day, you can have all the technological wizardry, but people's personal behavior and how they maneuver is going to have is going to bring a different equation to the whole market.
Oh yeah. So, that's true.
And economics does not.
Yeah, but people are people are highly influenced by the media. Okay, media always plays a big part in our lives, and so we do. It's monkey see, monkey do. That's what we need to remember. So, this is why I put this webinar together, because there's so much people asking the what's going on, man. Come on, pick it up. This thing. I can't just go and pick it up because I'm not seeing a good time of putting a big investment there. I'm seeing people everybody's doing the same thing. Everybody. So. This is the right thing to do. I need to show these people what you need to do. Write the 7 to 9 candles. Gets red, put it back into Digibyte. Gets green, take it out, put it there, go and collect your $20, $30, whatever you're making in there.
I'll be honest, for me, I haven't got time for all of that. I'm in it for the long haul. So, I know it's going to come good.
Well,
so I'm just going to I'm holding and let it ride.
What we're seeing here will repeat again in Digibyte or in any other coin. It always repeats itself. So, we know we can go down to zero. Yes, it can go minus zero. Yes, it can go minus zero. But guess what? As soon as this Bitcoin rally is stopping, people stabilize, go back to their coins, what they love, and things go back where it was before. And sometimes they go even higher because now people stock up in coin. A lot of the problems I had is getting new people into Digibyte. It's because I did not Digibyte to sell, and people don't want to buy from the exchange because they're charging you double.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. So, I got people actually waiting to get into Digibyte, their money ready to buy. They just want to pay the double price. They just want to pay what they buy. Want to pay what they buy. Okay, so I'm buying Digibyte. I want to pay Digibyte. I don't want to go and buy Bitcoin, and then from Bitcoin convert to the Digibyte because they're paying transaction fees 3 times. And if they don't have dollars or euros, if they're like in UK like me, then you pay $60 in transaction fees. That's a lot of money.
Yeah, no. Yeah. Hello? Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, Danny?
Yeah. Oh, by the way, Jose, I guess you guys can hear me well, right?
Hi, Danny.
Yeah, can you speak a little louder or a little bit near the microphone?
Oh, okay. How about now?
It's still a little low.
Let me see. Hold on. Let me see if I come a little bit over here. Hello?
Yeah. Okay, go ahead. We be quiet so we can hear you.
I wanted to actually thank you first, Jose, because I think you're doing an amazing job. With the Coin Chasers group, really, they
Danny, you're going away again. You're going very, very far. Are you using the mobile phone or using the computer?
I'm using a mobile phone.
Mobile phone. Okay, try and speak in the phone next to your ear, like when you speak normally, because you're very, very fast.
How about now?
I can hear, but just about. It's very, very faint.
Let me call back in.
Okay. I did get this something about thank you. You guys, you don't have to thank you. Thank yourselves, okay? Thank yourselves. I'm just, listen, I'm just very thankful that you guys listen to me, that you guys follow me, that you watch my videos. I'm thankful for that, guys. You don't need to thank me. Thank yourselves that you guys you see the opportunity, you see the facts, and you guys get involved and you benefit from it. This is what I'm all about, guys. It's about helping others get what they want so I can have what I want. And that's all what life is about. That's what we are here for, guys. Okay? We're here to empower each other, push each other forwards. And once you do that, you feel better about yourself, and other people feel good about you. And this is what's going to happen. You're going to keep going forwards and forwards. Nothing can stop you. Nothing can stop you. The law can stop you. People can stop you. As long as you have goodness in your heart, you're just going to keep moving forward.
Jose, can I say today, particularly, I've noticed that, there's been quite a lot of negative chat in the group. And what I would say to people, I did post it, if you just, if you can't take the heat of, the way the market moves, get out of the kitchen. This is just definitely not for you. But, if you're going to sort of be in it, you have to be in it to win it, and you have to be positive.
Absolutely. Absolutely. You're going to have to take the risk.
If you can't be, this is not the arena for you. So I don't want to hear any more belly aching today. We're all grown-ups, we're all big people, we all knew what we were signing up to. There's nothing certain in this market, there's nothing certain in any stock market or exchange market. So, we've just got to act as grown-ups and not bellyache like children. It's jarring, quite frankly.
Yeah. Okay, Danny, can you try again? Now I think you're gone completely, bro.
How about now? Can you guys hear me now?
No, you still got the same problem. It should have. The mobile phone. Is your mobile phone? How do you control you can control the microphone volumes on the mobile phone, can you? Let me check here the volumes on the.
How about now? Can you guys hear me better?
Great.
Brilliant. There he goes.
Okay, perfect. Well, first off, I want to thank you, Jose, for doing everything that you're doing with Digibyte, because I think it's an amazing group that you have there.
You're welcome, my friend.
And one thing that because I put a lot of my insights, because I'm interested, like I said, in Austrian economics, and it's one of the real world economics that I preach. And a lot of times, a lot of people in the chat, and I really enjoy the conversations with them regardless. They believe that they know exactly this price point that Digibyte is going to hit, and I'm trying to. I understand that we all believe in this coin, and I understand that we all want this coin to be, at the highest value as possible. I mean, because it makes sense in that the more money that Digibyte gets, the more it satisfies our ends, which is what comes into economics and in marginal utility, the law of marginal utility. But I think we need to be, some people say $100 in 30 days and ridiculous things like that, which I think are not beneficial. Because that's bigger than the market cap for Bitcoin. And as I'm a wholehearted believer, I believe Digibyte is the best coin out there, and I've been a long time holder. I've been holding for about 2 to 3 years, based on information. But I think people, I've gone on YouTube so many times and seen these so-called cryptocurrency experts talking about so many coins that they're going to blow up, do this, do that, and they absolutely don't do it. They do the opposite sometimes. And it's because it's impossible to predict the market. If we all were able to predict the market through these mathematical equations, which is what technical analysis is, then they would have, projected Bitcoin or Ethereum rising and all this stuff, and they haven't. So, You know, I understand that we all love Digibyte, and it's an amazing coin, and it's one of the best coins. In my opinion, it's the best coin out there, and it solves a problem that Bitcoin has, and it will
Yeah,
eventually.
yeah, you will. Now, your opinion is a good one, Danny, but what you need to see what these people, some people are just trying to, at this point in the market, cryptocurrency, there is no expert on cryptocurrency because it's still a fairly new market, okay? The Bitcoin being the oldest one, 8 years old. But,
Of course.
you need to think about how people influence people. That's what these people see, okay? It's all about influencing and seeing what everybody else is doing. So, think about why I did this call. Because, I went to bed. I was doing this for the last 10 hours, and I went to bed, and I get up, and I got so many missed phone calls. People, people want answers. People asking me questions because they want answers. And I had to go out and tell people exactly what they need to do. So at this point, so if you think about it, I can predict, right, what's going to happen next because I just told people what they should be doing. Now, I can't guarantee that will happen, but I can say that will happen next because I told them what they should be doing. And for that matter, we should start seeing a drop on Digibyte, which you're already seeing a bigger drop on Digibyte, and we're still seeing that BTC, well, is going up. It's been doing this all week, so all last 2 days. So but I can now go out and make another video, and for the people who missed the webinar, missed the call, show them that this happened. This is happening why? Because I'm a big influencer. Think about the groups. The reason we have the groups, the reason the groups grown is because I can influence people to take action and join the group, just like yourself join the group. So they're not trying to tell you, giving you 100% that will happen. But it's all about reach, okay? And the age of the internet is all about reach. And we know the bigger number of people we reach, the very likely we're gonna have that to happen. So it's 1,001. So 1%, 1,001. So once you look at the market, if you go to 24 hours, we can see, as a trader, we can actually build a story. Okay, so we can, write a book, like writing a book. You go to 4 days, I could go to 2 weeks, and I can go to 1 month, and you can see that Bitcoin has, since that point, it's been constantly giving us signals. Okay, something's going to happen. It's moving consistently, going up. Okay, so we started at 2,227. You can see. You can pretty much predict. So let's go back to all time. And now this probably is going to take some time because you're going to try to go back to 2013 because it only goes back in the last Bitcoin crash. And you can see, okay, you can write a book, okay? And based on high points and the lowest highs, the top highs and the lowest highs, you can write a book and basically work out your odds. What is your odds of making an investment on Bitcoin and in a week, in a month, or, in 6 months, what's your odds of losing or winning or getting double your money back? So you write a book based on high points and low points, and you work out your odds, how you're going to make that money. So of course, once you got those odds, you know exactly what's going to happen because you can read the book, you can see what happened from history, and then you can go out and tell people, hey, this is going to happen because I did this research, and this is what's going to happen. And I do strongly believe that will happen because it has happened at least here, on the same resistance, you go 1, 2, 3, 4 bottoms. Okay, that's 4 bottoms, right? And then I go look at the top, and I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bottoms. So what is my 9 top? So is my odds here? My odds here is 9 to 4. That 9 times to 4, I will make money on this. This will be a profitable investment, right? So from now that you have this information, you know that you can go safely, make this bet, and put this claim. Right?
Yeah. No, the only thing is, no, I'm not saying that you can't predict because sometimes you are accurate and definitely for sure, and there's people that out there that have been accurate for sure. There's people saying buy Ethereum before it rose to its $200 or $300 mark. I'm not saying that doesn't exist. There are some people that probably that are better than others. That's for sure.
Yeah. It all comes down the number of people that they reach. It's the same thing with Bitcoin. When I joined, 2008, when Bitcoin showed up in my mailbox as spam, I looked at it, BS, this is no way. Oh, come on, no way. But in 2009, I decided, I'm just going to buy because something happened there. And it's only a couple of cents. And then people started to say, oh, Bitcoin is going to get to 1,000. Oh, Bitcoin is going to get to 2,000. Oh, Bitcoin is going to get to 5,000. And as you can see, You know, we're now at $3,896 a coin. We're pretty much very close to 4,000. You know, obviously, when somebody told me, you know, around January, I was talking to one guy. He's a big influencer as well. I said, Jose, the coin is going to get to $10,000 by the end of the day. I said, bullshit, man. Bullshit. You're talking bullshit. But you know what? Listen, it's August, and it's pretty much, you know, we have $4,000. Right? Right? Now, he told me that. I didn't believe. He tells the other one he didn't believe. But then you look at the numbers, you look at the trends, and you see, oh, crap, this thing it does going up. This thing is going up. You know, if you look, before I start to push Digibyte, you know, it was before this second Bitcoin fork, and apparently it looks like there's a third one on the way. But then again, speculation. Okay, but
Right. No, I look. I mean, the thing is that, you know, who knows when, like, for example, if someone enters the market right now into Bitcoin, who knows that that's not the top, you know, and automatically someone could, you know, that it could be downward on a downward trend. So you have to pay attention to the markets very, very, very closely.
Yeah, but think about this, okay? Even if somebody comes in and buys a full Bitcoin, okay, can the market crash? Yes, he can. Okay, absolutely. But you just hold your coin. Hold your coin, because now you have to ride the wave. So if the market crash goes all the way down to 0 to 3, you still got the coin. You didn't lost anything. You lost an opportunity, but you still got your coin. So wait a month, wait 2 months, 6 months. It doesn't matter. You will come back up.
Yeah. No, I think that, you know, my strategy is more for like, you know, I like I said, I bought Digibyte like about 2 to 3 years ago. I bought it when the news came out that they got they were the first alternative currency to receive a outside funding from some sort of group. And I remember I bought it because of that information, because it showed me that invest 250,000, which I believe was the initial investment for them. Yeah. That means that they're expecting, you know, 2 to 3, 4 times the return on that investment.
Yeah, and it's easy to do that. It's easy to expect because you don't lose your coin. You're holding your coin. It's not like going to the casino. You know, you go to the casino, you bet $500, the casino gives 20% back or 10%. Where every time he makes $500, he gives you 10%. Okay?
Yes.
But exactly. That 10% and the odds who's going to win that 10%, you know, can be every 1,000 people. It can be every 2 people, because you can actually have one person goes to the machine and puts $1,000 into it, gets nothing. Next day, the guy comes in $1 and he gets the 20%. Now, you know, the odds of who's going to get it are very, very slim. So that's in the casino. Now, in the crypto market, on the trading market itself, what we have is a totally different thing. We can actually predict the market because we can see the history. We can see the past. You know, if I go to a casino and I could connect a laptop, something to the machine, and know how much people have played before I played, how much people played that game, I could actually work out what my odds were of me winning playing that time, right? But I can't, because the casino does not allow you to get access to that information. But in a trader market, you can go out, you check the history, you learn from history, and then you make your odds based, you know, okay, so it's a line here. I could, let's say I started there, and I decided to tell my friends, hey guys, let's make an investment here. Let's put your numbers in. And then the market going up, I prove my point. At this point, I could cash out. And my friends could carry on riding the wave. Guess what? My friends did better than me because they carry on.
Right. Well, yeah. Well, I see it kind of like MySpace. MySpace, when it first entered the market, it was the first one when it first entered. Now, then it inspired others to get into the marketplace, such as Facebook, Google, all these other alternative social media, Twitter, Snapchat. Now we have a whole abundance of it, and I see the same thing for cryptocurrency. I saw it that way as well. I saw Bitcoin as, you know, the one that's starting out all the new technologies, the one that's bringing out all the new innovations, and then the other cryptocurrencies, and I believe Digibyte #1 is going to be the best. Hop on board and eventually surpass what Bitcoin has done.
Yeah, but it's going to take a lot of work. Okay, you know, it does surpass, and it's possible that he can reach $1 in 30 days. Oh, yes, he can even reach $1 tonight.
I wouldn't doubt that. Let's say, for example, something, you know, brand new happens. I don't know what in the market, and it makes people believe that, you know, this coin is going to be the future coin. Absolutely, I don't see that possible.
You know, it's like going back, you know, if we go back to the money, okay? We could go to the money, that will keep us talking for hours. But basically, what is money? Money is just a piece of paper, okay? Money is just a piece of paper. It's all about trust. Because we growing up, that we should trust and we should use money, a piece of paper, as money. So as people, we put so much trust in that piece of paper and we use it to buy and pay for things. In cryptocurrency right now, the biggest trust, of course, it is on Bitcoin. Of course, people trust Bitcoin. There's a lot of noise about Bitcoin. But Bitcoin, the fact is Bitcoin programmers and miners and developers, they don't agree between each other. And we know that a lot of these new coins that are popping up is because they're splitting up, okay? People who started Bitcoin, there was a group of people. It wasn't a Satoshi Nakamoto, it was a monkey, whatever. It was a group of people that started this. The problem is because so much money there, they're arguing. Okay, his arguments breaking up. Who gets the biggest share? Who works the most? Oh, no, I work more than you do. People work in business in partnerships. Okay, so one always thinks he works more than the other, and therefore he should get the biggest share. And this is what happened in Bitcoin. Okay, people are arguing between the transaction fees, who gets the biggest, the miners, the developers, you know what I mean? And this is what causes these all new coins to popping up. Now, some of them will break up, they're straight on people's faces. Oh, I'm going to create Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Unlimited. Listen, doesn't matter how many coins you create, you're not going to stop Bitcoin until Bitcoin eventually has to blow because he has to go. And the reason he has to go is because there's no one going to want to take the Bitcoin responsibility for the wrong things that were done behind the back of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in general, okay? Because there's a lot of bad things that have been done with money and nobody's also responsible for, right? In the real world, with fiat currency, a lot of people commit a lot of crimes with real money and they don't get done for. So, guys, we on a live call, so the link is on the group. So you still are calling me there. I will call back. Okay, guys, I will call you back if you guys didn't watch in the live call. I will try and call back. But you guys could join. You could join. You should be on a live call. Yeah, but you see, Danny, you have a right point. You have a right opinion. It's calling again. But what I think you should do is try to differ a little bit from real life economics to the digital economics. If you know what I mean. Danny? Hello? Is my call full? Hello? Can anybody hear me? Is the call dropped?
I can hear you, Jose.
Okay. Danny, your microphone is muted. Is that okay? It's dropped. Okay. But basically, yeah, in this crypto thing, because it's a new thing, we need to understand that people are going to come in with different opinions, and instead of talking people down or being negative towards it, try and be more open, because obviously they are in the groups because they have an interest in Digibyte, guys. Okay, so let's keep that in mind, and then try and don't say I know better, because nobody knows better. The reality is nobody knows better. We all have a different opinion and a different way of view. Let's share those views. Let's all try and understand it, read it. Hopefully together you find a better solution. Okay, because as they say, two heads is always better than one.
Yeah.
So guys, there you go. So this is it for this call. This is a unprecedented call. I just wanted to share with you guys and telling you guys again to take advantage of this opportunity. And as I told you guys, okay, Danny, if you're watching this, you can see, what I just explained at the beginning of the webinar is gone on a run. So the bull has broken out of the fence, it's gone on a run, and now if you go back to BTC, to Digibyte, we should see a downtrend, and there it goes. Okay, so this is a result of this call. Okay, we can exactly see how influencing people and telling people what they should be doing, what the best thing to do about it is this. There you go. So you guys, Danny, you back? Okay, Danny's having some connection problem, guys. Does anybody wants to join the live call and come and talk to us? Okay, just click the link. That's the link to join the live call. I will go through the chat here, guys. I'm seeing you guys are all talking there. A lot of DGB supporters in there. Digis, they're all Digis. Hey, Digibyte to the moon. No, guys, we already passed the moon. We're heading for Mars. We left the moon behind. every time the coin gets to the moon, it somehow does a 360 and turns back down. So, we'll be more wild on that one. Okay, so here the question, guys, you're pretty much talking between yourselves, which is very good. Now let's go here on the group. Conscious. Any comments? See any comments? One person wants to join the group, so you guys can see, guys, the power of the groups. I haven't used any paid advertising or anything, guys. This is totally people going on search engines, making inquiries, finding my videos on YouTube, finding my blogs, and then come and join the groups. That's done it there, guys, so you can actually watch that video yesterday. Now, guys, don't be critics about it. Try and be supportive and at the same time giving your opinion. Okay, it's been much easier. You could actually be building a long-term relationship. Okay, I mean in terms of business, that's what we mean. Building relationships, building contacts, and try share your idea. Let the other person share their idea and the way they think, because you do learn a lot. Okay, if you guys do this, talk and listen properly, you guys will learn a lot. Okay, you guys will learn a lot. So come and join us at Coin Chasers. Okay, so on Facebook, we now 854 members. Look at this. This is unbelievable. Okay, this is unbelievable how fast this group is growing. Okay, you can join us as well on WhatsApp. So WhatsApp, if I go to group information, so you guys can see active members and joint members. So active members 92 out of 256 people who joined the group. 92 have actually said hello. Okay, so guys, join the group. Say hello at least once. So we know you don't just join the group and then sit there. Okay, we have admins, we have people who offers. I will call you back in a second, man. I will call you back in a second. But you can see people just get together and discuss. Try not to argue. Don't join the groups and start to promote other coins, guys. This is a Digibyte groups. Now I do understand, guys, that is very tempting when you come to a group where people are interested in Digibyte. And assuming that they are interested in all cryptocurrencies. No, guys. The group is very specific to what we are interested in. So if you join the group, don't promote other cryptos because you're going to get people complain, and then we have to boot you out. Now, I also understand that the majority are probably doing that because you don't find any other groups for other, like Digibyte groups for any other cryptocurrencies because they simply don't have that support. And Digibyte does, because Digibyte has, guys, he's a loan crypto. It works the way it is. We don't need anybody else. Okay, guys, it's a self-sustained cryptocurrency. We can actually use Digibyte and exploit any other coin in the market. Get back onto Digibyte because we got everything on Digibyte. We got faster transactions, safer transactions. Guys, what else do you want? What else do you want? A coin that can be used right now as money. Right now, it can be used as money, guys. Okay, what we need to do, and I'm gonna ask everybody in the group very soon, guys. I'm going to write a letter to Coinbase. What we're going to do, we're going to ask Coinbase to add Digibyte in exchange from dollar straight to Digibyte and another 2 exchanges. So the same letter, we all send the same letter at the same time so they can see, no, actually, there is a bigger market here than we thought in Digibyte. And they may even start to add Digibyte as an exchange from dollar to Digibyte. So you guys don't have to go and buy, Bitcoin first or Litecoin first, and then exchange it to Digibyte. So let's try and do that. And once we did that, guys, then we're going to start to see new heights. But for that happen, it's not down to Jared. It's down to us. Okay, it's down to us as customers of Digibyte to demand that this service should be added because we do have a community and we are a big community interested in Digibyte. Okay, because Jared has done all he could do, which is giving us a working coin. Okay, a working coin, a working wallet. Guys, it's so refreshing. Okay, once I sell Bitcoin on a peer-to-peer, face-to-face to people, and they see the coin get into their wallet, they go, "Oh, that fast! I can't believe how fast it was." People are happy because they got what they paid for. Right? This is the main important thing. It's not like Bitcoin. You sell Bitcoin, and the guy say, "Okay, he's here. 2 hours waiting on a queue." Come on, guys. And some never got it. Okay, which is even worse. Okay, some people never got the coin that they paid for. So it's a lot of people. Of course, they're going to be. Wouldn't you be pissed off? Of course you will. Everybody will be pissed off. So, guys, Digibyte to infinity and beyond. Sharon, do you want to add something? Is Danny back? Danny? Oh, it's Leandra from Portugal. So we are around the world here. We have Austria, we have Jamaica, we have Portugal, UK. What else is here? Everybody's on the call today. So, guys, there you go. So again, one caller which is not announced. So we got 92 people. 92 people have watched this call. It's amazing. That's amazing, guys. The power of Digibyte. So, guys, there you go. So everything is happening. I told you what we need to do, guys. Surf the wave. There is a rent kernel popping up again. But again, if you guys look what we're seeing in there, okay, what's going to happen here? It has happened here, right? You see that? You got a hammer popping up there. Okay, shooting star. Then it holds, it goes back into, okay, gets back in behind the fence. Then it goes loose. So, guys, it's like the same pattern, isn't it? It's almost like you could say, is this a damn bot going on here? Yeah, it could be right, guy. It could be a bot doing this, but still, that bot must have money to be putting in. And you know what is amazing as well, guys, is what we actually finally are seeing a new coin, new Bitcoin. Okay, it's been a while since we started to see the numbers of Bitcoin going up. No, that's not okay. That's fine. It's been a while, but there it goes. Okay, we actually see a new coin reappearing on Bitcoin. Okay, $65 billion, up by 12.55%. It keeps just yeah. Okay, guys, look at this. Okay, look at this, and you know, and of course, this is happening on Bitcoin, and of course, this can happen on any other cryptocurrency. When whatever this surfing stops on Bitcoin, it could start in another cryptocurrency. It could be Digibyte. It could be, you know, I don't know. It's probably Digibyte, because remember what I'm sharing through this call, guys. Pay attention what I'm doing here. You know, as soon this thing stopping up and people stocking up Digibyte, because this is what I'm telling you guys, is to ride the wave and start stocking up Digibyte. Guys, we very, very likely are we next? Digibyte next? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Yeah. So once again, guys, the Telegram. I don't have a Telegram group, guys. I don't have a Telegram group. I haven't created one. I created the Facebook group, and I created the WhatsApp group. I do have a request for the Telegram group and the Google Plus group, so I haven't created those. So I don't know who wants the Telegram group. But you know, I don't know what happened in that Telegram group. So you know, but there's always a chance of you guys sharing one of my videos there, or make a video yourself, guys. And listen, this is very important. If you guys make videos of yourselves and share it, then it's not just me, guys. Okay, we need to put ourselves out there to show people that this is not just, hey, this is not just Jose who has, you know, 12,000+, 4 million views. No, it's another people. Okay, it's very important, guys, that you guys come out and make your own videos. So we got Danny started to make videos, guys. So be supportive. Look at this video, share your opinion, and don't be nasty. Think about how you like people to treat you. So you should treat others the same way. Okay. So, guys, once again, thank you very much for coming to this quick live and unannounced hangout. Our webinar is still for Tuesday. Okay, and Tuesday I will be sharing a bit more tips, some relevant to what I just showed you in this call. Guys, Digibyte to infinity and beyond. May the force be with you. Thanks for coming. I'm Nunes. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.